Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about s equals to u squared. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have ds equal to 2u du. So I will put about u squared in here because I want to cancel about the square root. Similar for this one, ds we change by this one. So this one we have u and u square we cancel. Number 2 I will put in here. The integration of sine u over u, we have si, that is about sine integral of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So we put the square root for the both sides, and we have the square root of s equals to u. So I will put this one gone here. Now we do similar for the second one. This one should be about cosine integral. This is the end. Thank you for watching.